Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this traditional Odia Pitha, which is called Atta Kakara Pitha. Kakara is basically made with semolina or suji, but here it's made with wheat flour, which is also available at Chhatia Butter Temple. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So to make the stuffing, add half cup of jaggery in a pan. To that add 2 tablespoons of water. Heat and melt the jaggery. You can also use sugar instead of jaggery. Then add 1 cup of grated coconut. Mix well and cook till it becomes a little dry. You can also add chenna or cottage cheese if you want. Add half teaspoon of crushed black pepper and cardamom and mix well. I have added few raisins here. This is completely optional. Mix well and our stuffing is ready. Allow it to cool down. Now to make the dough, in a pan, heat 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. To that add 4 tablespoons of jaggery. You can also add sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of crushed cardamom black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix and bring it to boil and cook till the jaggery dissolves. Then gradually add 1 cup of whole wheat flour and mix well. The amount of water should be 1 or 2 tablespoons more than the amount of flour. Mix well and cook on low flame till flour is well combined with the water. Cook till it separates from the pan. Then turn off the heat and transfer it to a plate. Allow it to cool down a little. Apply ghee on palm and knead the dough while it's warm. Do not allow it to cool down completely. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes till it's soft and smooth like so. Apply ghee on palms and take small portion and make a ball. Smoothen it out. Press the sides with thumbs and flatten it. Place 1 or 2 tablespoons of stuffing in the center. Do not add more than that, otherwise the pitha will not be sealed properly. Bring the sides together and seal the pitha. Remove the excess dough on the top, smoothen the ball and then flatten it a little. Make sure there are no cracks on the pitha. Make all the pithas like so. And then drop them in medium hot oil. Flip and fry from both sides. Make sure the pitha is completely submerged in the oil. Our pithas are perfectly cooked now. They are golden brown. Take them out and serve. These pithas are perfectly crispy on the outside and perfectly soft and gooey on the inside. This tastes super amazing and so different than regular Monda Kakara Pitha. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.